Hello viewers, in this video I would like to discuss numerical solutions of ODE. So what is an ODE? An ordinary differential equation is a relation between a function, its derivatives. Say y is equal to fx is function, so derivative will be y, y dash, y double dash, etc. and the variable upon which they depend. So y is depending on x, y is equal to fx, so x is the independent variable. There is only one independent variable in an ODE. So mathematically we can write it in this form. General form of ODE is phi xy y dash y double dash y to the power m is equal to 0. It means x is independent variable, y is a function which depends on x, and y dash y double dash etc. these are its derivatives, and m is the highest order derivative here, and these are the functions of x, y, and its derivatives are functions of x. Now this is an example. The law governing the velocity vt of a moving body is given by m dv upon dt is equal to f. So this is an equation, and another example is the equation to describe a simple harmonic motion is given by m d square y upon dt square plus a dy upon dt plus ky is equal to 0, where y is displacement and m is the mass. Now these equations may be solved by analytical methods and numerical methods. So when we don't find easily analytical method or problem is very complicated, we try numerical methods. So while there are many general techniques for analytically solving classes of ODEs, the only practical solution technique for complicated equations is to use numerical methods. So there are two types of problems: initial value problem and boundary value problems. So initial value problem is when conditions are prescribed for one point only, then differential equation is known as initial value problem. Example is here: y dash is equal to minus 2x minus y, and y at 0, that is x is equal to 0, value of y is minus 1. So this is initial value problem. And boundary value problem is when the conditions at different values of independent variable are specified. It means we have at least 2 points where value of y is given. Example is here: y double dash is equal to 6x plus 4, and y at 0 is equal to 2, y at x is equal to 1 is 5. So this is boundary value problem. As we know, there are many numerical methods to solve the ODEs. In this video I would like to discuss Euler's method. So what is an objective of Euler's method? That we have to find out solution of ordinary differential equation, that is dy upon dx is equal to fxy, and initial condition is given to us y at x0 is equal to y0. So what will we do? We will find successive values of y, and then these are the approximate values. So we find successively y1, y2, yn, where yn is the value of y corresponding to x is equal to xn, and xn is equal to x0 plus nh, and takes values y2, 3 and so on, and h being small value. So in this figure we can see this is the curve given to us, and we start with the value x0. This is the x0. This value is x0, and corresponding value is this is y0. Now we have divided this interval into n number of points. So this is x0, x1 is equal to x0 plus h, x2 is x0 plus 2h, and last point is xn, which is x0 plus nh, and corresponding values are y0, y1, y2, y3 and so on, and this is yn, and this is the actual values of y on this point xn. So here we can see this is the error in the value which has been approximated, and the actual value lies on the curve, and approximated we have obtained with the help of Euler's method. So this is the error in the result. Now we take the now the equation of tangent at x0 y0 is y minus y0 is equal to dy upon dx at x0 y0 x minus x0. So from here we can write down value of y, and at x is equal to x1 value of y1 is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 is h, because now x is x1, so x1 minus x0 is equal to h, and fx0 y0. Now similarly we can write down in the next interval, that is x1 x2, so we will get value of y2 will be y1 plus h fx1 y1, and in general form we can write down yn plus 1 is equal to yn plus h fxn yn. This formula can be derived with the help of geometrical interpretation also, that we can write down tan theta form, and from there we can also derive this. Now let's see one example based on it. Using Euler's method, solve numerically the equation y dash is equal to x plus y. Initial value is given, y0 is equal to 1, and we have to calculate values of y for x is equal to 0 and increment is of 0.2, and we have to go up to 0.8. So points will be 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. Check your answer with exact solutions, because this is very simple equation, so we can find out exact solution also. So let's see. y1 is equal to y0 plus h fx0 y0. fx0 y0 means value of the function at x0 y0. So y0 is initial value, which is given 1, plus h is given 0.2, that is the difference between two consecutive values of x, so that is 0.2, and y dash, which is fx0 y0, is x0 plus y0, that is given in the question. So we put x0 value, which is 0, and y0 value is 1, so y1 comes 1.2. Now we calculate y2. So 1.2 plus h is 0.2, fx1 now it is 0.2 plus y1 is 1.2, we get 1.48. Now y3 is y2 plus h fx2 y2. y2 is 1.48, h is 0.2, and fx2 y2 is x2 plus y2, so value of y3 comes 1.856. Now in similar manner we calculate y4, and value comes 2.3472. Now we see exact solution is 2e to the power x minus 1. We substitute values of x as 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8 and compare the exact value and Euler's value. We can see there is a small difference. For 0.2 it is exact value is 1.2428 and Euler's value is 1.2, and similarly for 0.8 exact value is 2.6511 and Euler's value is 2.3472. So we got the result with the help of Euler's method. Thank you.